Thembisete is once again trending, but this time not just for her talent. Her latest nightclub performance with Boom Shaka has divided Mzansi in a major way. The legendary entertainer lit up the stage with high-energy choreography, even incorporating bold modern dance moves that instantly caught attention online. While some fans praised her confidence, stamina, and ageless stage presence, others were far less impressed, calling the routine cringe and questioning whether the performance was appropriate for her age. The video quickly spread across social media, especially on X, where critics didn't hold back, sparking a heated debate about age, artistry, and how female performers are judged in the entertainment industry. Despite the backlash, Thembisete continues to be celebrated by loyal supporters who argue that dance has no age limit and that she remains a powerhouse performer who still knows how to command a crowd. As opinions clash online, one thing is clear: whether people loved it or hated it, everyone was watching.